Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your phone's date, time, and network connection are correct because mismatched time or flaky Wi-Fi often blocks token verification. Next, confirm the card is active, not expired, and has enough funds. If needed, try the same card on another device to isolate the issue. Once done, update Google Pay from the Play Store and clear the app cache or force stop. This resets transient glitches, so you can attempt the transaction again. If the problem persists, remove and re-add the card so Google Pay reissues a new token. Follow bank verification steps like SMS or app confirmation because tokenization depends on it. Then, inspect NFC and contactless payment settings. Turn NFC off and on, set Google Pay as the default payment app, and verify location or tap permissions. Also update Google Play services and confirm background data is allowed. These services manage secure communication, and failing them stops transactions from completing. Complete by testing a small purchase or using a different terminal to confirm whether the issue is device or merchant-specific. Small tests reduce risk while proving success. If still failing, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data and restart your phone to clear network caches. Make sure to capture any error codes or screenshots, then contact your bank to check token provisioning and merchant blocking. This one troubleshooting tip, Bank Token Reset, fixes many unresolved Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.